Hi everyone, thank you very much for being together with us. And this is the last demonstration for today. We've been doing the last demonstration today now, but I believe this is the fifth one. All right, and so the next one is also the boxed items, a boxed Blay backhoe. When we say boxed means that it comes with the box, but the item has been opened or could be used. All right, could be missing something inside. Okay, but still we are willing to sell at the lowest, good prices. Okay, so let's take a look at these items. This is the DX braid backhoes, the one used by the Kamen Rider Braid, one of the main items. And so like the other Garen backhoes, now these items we did that demonstration last time, probably 1 year ago. Okay. A long time, and I said that I'm going to start selling. No, and we failed to do that because we've been looking for this lousy card. To me, lousy cards. Okay, because we never completed. Okay, but the last Garen backhoe that we did the demonstration, luckily we had the 3 cards perfectly included, but this one, I don't remember how many cards we have. At least we have the 1 card inside, but we're supposed to have the 3. Okay. So if that comes with the 3 cards, that will be a very, very good, And also the instructions and other necessary parts should be inside. But at this point, I cannot guarantee because we did that a year ago. Okay. So let's open up. So the first in a box, very heavy, big box. Okay, very strong actually. Not that heavy, but very nice box. They really didn't cut the cost on the box here, and not much damage. But you see that see a little bit not scratch, but the damage on the corner here. I hope you can see this, just a little bit. Okay. All right, this is the other side. No damage. Now let's go down top. And this is another corner. It's very nice, clean. Okay. And top flap thing. Okay, that's very nice. Okay. Oh yeah, I have to admit that. And we have the little, squash here. I can hide it. So like this. Okay. And there you go. Just a little. Well, the box has been being used, of course. And yeah, this is the one in the corner. Okay, I was just talking about. And this is not much. Okay, just a little bit, tiered. All right. Okay, now, let's open this. No, I really, because I shoot that video 1 year ago, and I could use the same video for my demonstrations, but because at the time I think I remember I mentioned that I need to make that the card will complete it. I don't think I have enough chance. No. Luckily, this one comes with the, look at this. Yes, the instructions. DX Henshin braid backhoe, right? Okay, that's good. Okay, braid backhoe, yes, it is. Okay. Nice. Okay, comes with that instructions, both sides. Oh, sorry for the focus. It takes a little time. Now, let's open that. Oh, taping. Really? Oh, only this side. Okay. Come on, focus. There you go. It comes with the cards, attachments, backhoe itself. All right. Oh, 1 second. It looks like I got the phone call from the toy man. Please excuse me. I have to take that. はい、お世話になります。正解です。どうも、お世話になります。大丈夫です。はい、カプセルのアストロスイッチ。あいたたたたた。そうですか、わかりました。6番。みなちゃん、6番どうやったかな？カプセルスイッチ。6番。うん。6番は随分出てましたね。はい。いいみたいですよ。もういいですね。まだ残ってますけど。はい、はい。6番の方はもういいだと思います。はい。そうですよね。前回のやつですよね。はいはいはい。また戻っちゃった。仕方ないですね。ね、かなりなんか乱れてるんでしょうね。出し方もね、なんか新しいのもあるし、かなりダブってるのもありますしね。うん。乱れてますね。はい。そうですね。セット販売もあんまりって感じですね。うん。うん。まあね、豊富に入るんならいいんですけど、そうでもないみたいだし、難しいですね。OK。いきますね。うん。はい。まあ、そういうことで、はい。お願いします。すいません。はい。また送りますので、メールの方。すいません。はい。来てましたですね。はい。また見ておきます。ごめんなさい。また日が、そうですか。わかりました。ちょっと見ておきます。はい。ありがとうございます。失礼します。どうも。All right. Thanks for waiting. And so I just talked to our toy man during the demonstration. Thank you very much. But well, I had to anyway. So he mentioned that the next capsule switches. Okay, number 7, capsule switch. Capsule Astro switch number 7 is coming, and so we were talking about that. Okay, and also another Beyblade special prices or something like that. All right. So anyway, so we will continue today's demonstrations, and I was just about to show that the cards. Okay, there we go. Let me just move this one. Okay. All right. Okay. So we have the cards, and this is the only one, huh? Just one cards. See, this item does not have the. It's supposed to have the 3, okay? Supposed to have the 3 different cards, and change rider and what is that? Lightning, okay? Change lighter and lightning. 3 different cards. What I have is the change card. Comes with the nice plastic, individual plastic. I'm sure the previous owner was keeping it very nicely. And very nice cards, but they are missing the 2 others. So I hope you understand this one, okay? There we go. Nice cards. No bending. No scratches. Beautiful. Okay. All right, so there we got the cards and also instruction. Let's take a look at the item itself. Let me bring that. And it must belt. And belt strap. Okay, and we got the belts here. Yeah, only one card. Now, like I said, this is not a boxed one, and we are going to sell as it is. Okay, we're not going to look for the two other cards to make it completed. No way, we don't have time for that. Okay, but I hope you're gonna enjoy that. The price, everything. All right. So here we have that. It's been. I believe that this has been used. Okay, because I can see some scratches, and I will show you. Okay, here we go. This is the belt strap, and the other side. Okay, no scratches for here. That's nice to know that. Nice painting, and it works like this. Okay. All right. Yeah, I can see that some being scratched here, just a little bit. Okay. You see that? For other than that, belt itself is seems to be fair, nice conditions, and usually the loose belt has the trouble with this belt buckles and the belt here. Okay, but this one, green, still can be used. Nice. Okay, this is the other side. Okay. All right. Okay, so the belt. All right, the main parts is here. Okay. Where do we start? Okay, here. Let me hold that on my cameras now. Okay, do you see that? The conditions looks so far fair, but I see some paint came off. See that here? I don't know why, but he taped it. But we have the taping here on the speaker. Maybe the speaker was too loud. Maybe that's why the previous owner taped it, and I would just I don't know. I can peel it off, if you need to, right? But I would just leave it for now. And most important part, the front face. Oh, you can see that my face there too. The reflection. Not the scratch, I guess. Well, there actually here on the corner of the what's that, spade shape. The gold painting is just little came off, unfortunately. Okay, so but that's it. And other than that, seems okay. There we go. No painting, and it comes off. Oh yeah, you can see some there on the corner is a little bit. That's understandable, pretty much. But I must say the fair conditions though. Okay. All right, and let me just open up. Okay. Oh, there you go. Oh, we have the change card. Yep, we got the 2 cards. Okay, so I think I forgot it and kept it inside. What a bonus! I feel like that. Okay, so we have the 2 cards. Change card was inside of the Blay backhoe. I forgot to take it out. Okay, good. Okay, lucky one. All right. So I will just keep it here. So we got the 2 cards. Make sure that. All right, and just flip it off, and this is the inside. Nice. No scratches on the those transparent plastic cover. I must say it's a very good conditions. Good enough. Okay, so the other side. Nice. No damage. On and off. Alright, and there's a joint there with the belt. Most easy place to, you know, break, but nope, nothing. You probably have noticed that in the diffraction that there's some scratches there, but it's not the major one, just the minor scratches on the surface, okay? No cracks or anything. That is the back side. That's pretty good. Okay. All right, and so let's try that in a sound activations. Now that's very important. Okay. Oh yeah, the battery first. Oh gee, I forgot to, you know, take out the batteries. They're still inside. I'm worried about the battery leak. My goodness. Good. All right, no battery leak. Okay, good. Whew. I must have forgotten about this batteries. Okay, so I will just use that as fresh one, not this one. Okay, batteries, yes. Okay. All right, so let's activate the sound. Let me put that on microphones. You can hear this. All right, let me turn on the switch. Here we go. Power on. Did you hear that? One more time. That's kind of quiet sound, isn't it? And let's use that change one. Okay. There we go. Okay, hope that come on, focus. There we go. Okay. Just need a little. Wait. Little bit. Perfect. All right. Now we have. Give me just a little bit more focus. Thank you. All right. So here we go. Let's hear the sound. Ah, it works, huh? One more time. One more time. So the sound is working perfectly and very nice. Let me get that and change cards. Okay, now it's off. Let's go back. Okay, so it does work. And comes with the 2 cards. The change and... No, wait. Both change? Yeah, I noticed that. The both change. Okay, no needs to choose that 2 changes, huh? You know, so I would just say... let's see. That's kind of strange. Okay, change video one. I will just include this. Okay. The cream one, and then because this one is it's been used right, and I noticed a little. Oh yeah, it's been a little bit used, a little dent here. So I will just keep this one for myself, and so you can get this change card, the brand new, as nice cream one. Okay. I thought that was different cards, but no, this is the same cards. Shoot. Okay. When you attach the other side of the belt, it makes a sound as well. When you attach the other side of the belt. Oh, right. Yes, I remember that. Thank you. This one, right? Let me try that. Yeah. There we go. Oh, no, wait. The power was out. There you go. Thank you. Yes, I completely forgot about that. The functions. Yes, it used to have that this the switch, the activation switch here inside, and without that you cannot transform into the braid. Okay, thanks. So you got the box, and you will get the nice green change cards, and also the instruction. Okay, instructions here, and you get all the parts for the backhoe, and of course, including the strap for the braid backhoe. Okay, so these will be the price, and then I'll put it onto our website next coming Sunday, and so I hope you can get that. The activation time will be the around. Sorry, my different microphones. Okay. Different microphones I was using. So the activation time will be the next Sunday, 8 p.m. Japan Standard Time. Okay, since this is the only one items, and so hope you enjoy that. Okay. All right. So thank you very much. This has been the live recording from CSTOYS International, and this is the last items for today. So I have to go, and certainly wish you to have a great week, and then I will see you this Friday. And hopefully we're going to get the more items from our Toymans. And so thank you very much. Oh, wow. Okay. Just before that, I leave, and I just got the postcards. You know what? And I will talk about that, this one. Okay. So let me finish this video shooting. All right. So thank you very much, everyone. And I will talk to you soon. All right.